I want to show how to change or enter the serial number on 8753D. This particular unit, I had to change the CPU board because the old CPU board had an issue, and so now I need to re-enter the serial number to match it up to the rear panel. So normally you cannot enter a serial number in the CPU board once the serial number has been stored. So there is a code word available that you have to generate to erase the old serial number, and once you enter this, the serial number will be cleared and you can enter a new serial number. So before we get started, first thing we have to check this write protect jumper to enabling the right information in the EEPROM, and the jumper needs to be in this position closest to the EEPROM, so the firmware EEPROMs. Once we get done with what we're doing, make sure to move this jumper back into the lowest position, basically to enable write protect. So if you do any measurements or do any changes, so you not by accident change things around that you don't want to change. So the first thing we need to do is we need to enter the new serial number, and the way we do this is basically we go to display and then enter more and then enter title. Normally the first thing you do is you press erase title, because you see this little HP symbol up here, and you don't want this little HP symbol because it will basically mess up your test. So you press erase, and then now you start entering the serial number, and you cannot do this over the keypad, so basically you do this by selecting letters here from this menu, basically with using this flywheel, and then press select letter after every letter. So our serial number starts with 3410, so I go to the 3 first, and then 4, 1, 0, and you can verify up here that actually everything is entered correctly. If you make a mistake, you can use the backspace button down here. But okay, so now the next thing is the letter J, and then 00, and 734. So okay, so now we got all this entered. Once again, we verify that everything is correct here, that the HP symbol is not there anymore. And now we're gonna press done, and now we go to system, service menu, tests, and then adjustment tests, and we want to select test 55, which is a serial number correction, and then press execute test. So now it's gonna take a little bit for this test to run. It's gonna give us a message first asking us if we are sure that we want to alter the correction constants. So we push yes here, and so now you see it's a serial correction done, so that means a new serial number is stored. So basically now all we do is we go to system, service menu, and firmware revision, and now you can see the new serial number is stored correctly, so everything is okay. We can turn the unit off, move our write protect jumper back where it belongs, and and set it.